Ladies, I am Dr. Jamesia, and I am so excited to invite you to our first annual Pleasure Principle Retreat in Hilton Head, South Carolina, happening October 13th through October the 16th. We are excited to see you there.
And I'm Queen Coco, and it is the Pleasure Principle. Ah, So come on out if you want to turn up the volume on the pleasure in your life and use that energy to realize your dreams, then you don't want to miss us at this retreat. So buckle up and turn the volume up on what feels good because remember, it is good to feel good. So join us.
Oh, my whole body is alive right now. Yes, my name is Maisha, the Sensual Energy Alchemist, and I am beyond excited to be doing the Pleasure Principle Retreat with Dr. Jamesia and Queen Coco. Yes, we're going to talk about finances. Yes, we're going to talk about health and wellness, and we're going to talk about sensuality and your pleasure in your body. But this is really about you returning to the true essence of yourself as a woman. This is the time for you to leave it all behind. This is better than Calgon Take Me Away. You're coming to the Pleasure Principle Retreat to return to the essence of the pleasure in your life. More pleasure, more money, better health. We cannot wait to see you in Hilton Head, South Carolina, October 13th through the 16th.